Hey, this is Crystal from Boto.io, and today I'm going to go over how to track an NFT Reddit avatar to see when it goes up in value. So this is focusing specifically on free avatars, and the idea being that they're going to be low in value right now, but they might go up in value in the future, and you want to get notified when that value goes up so you know whether it's a good time to sell yours. So first, let's start with a really simple approach. So let's find the collection on OpenSea. There you'll see a floor price. The floor price is the lowest price an NFT in that collection is listed for sale for. So grab that amount and plug it into an ETH to USD calculator or whatever your local currency is. Pretty low right now, to be expected with a free collection. So that's why we're going to set up alerts for when the floor price changes, so that if it shoots up, you'll know, and then you can consider listing your avatar for sale. Grab a bot recipe, and since this one is pre-filled with all friends info, all you have to do is enter your email address, save, and turn it on. Then you'll start getting notifications that tell you what the minimum is that you could sell your avatar for. But what if yours has a really cool trait that makes it worth more? Let's find a trait to watch. Go to the collection on OpenSea again and find an NFT with the same trait as yours. Grab a recipe for sales filtered by trait. And let's go back to OpenSea to grab the contract address. It's right here in the details section. Plug that into the recipe. And then in the filter, type in the name of the trait that you want to track. Add your email address and fine-tune the message that you'll get. And now save, turn it on, and you're going to get notified whenever there's a sale of an NFT with that particular trait. I hope this helps. I've included the recipe links in the description, along with links to a written version of the tutorial. Give us a like and a subscribe here, and follow us on Twitter if you're on there. And thanks for your time.